Man, I haven't seen you guys in forever. Welcome back to the channel. We have a special surprise introducing the $750 glass key to, wait for it, dun dun dun, the Aston Martin Vanquish. I've been gone for a while. I was devastatingly sick, but I'm alive. I'm okay. Yeah, we're back. We're back, baby. We're back. We're flying off to Dubai tomorrow, guys. We're going to the United Arab Emirates. We're whipping an Aston Martin Vanquish today, so we got a lot to talk about. This would be a cold startup, but I just drove the car here like 2 minutes ago. So this is a lukewarm startup on a 5.9 liter V12 Aston Martin Vanquish named James Strad. Sorry, trust me. That was more cringy from my perspective than your perspective. That will never, ever, ever happen again. Massive shout out to Specialized for the weekend loaner. We have a lot of updates in today's video, but first off, take a moment and appreciate the interior that is the Aston Martin Vanquish. We got Alcantara, we got fancy leather, and then just look at the stitching. I think this is the first time I've ever driven an Aston Martin. I like it a lot. I just got into my neighborhood and I'm the guy at the end of the street who every other day shows up with a new exotic car. And this week it's the Vanquish. I'm amazed at how much attention this car gets. I'm not sure the Vanquish is gonna fit in the garage. Oh, hello. Oh. Whoa. Are we good?
I don't know. You're good here. Yeah, you're good. You're in. Why good? I was stop.
Dressed up for the occasion.
I didn't realize the camera was going on over there.
You look sharp.
It's awkward.
You fit an Aston Martin a lot more than me. I'm actually dressed nicer than usual, but making me look bad.
Well, I thought you brought it home for me to take out. That's why I dressed up.
Oh,
too.
yeah.
Yes.
Here's the it's $750 glass key.
Really? Burlacker. The Burlacker.
We have the window sticker on the Vanquish. 2014 Aston Martin Vanquish, 5.9 liter V12, 565 maximum horsepower. Total suggested retail price, $309,630. This is a 2014. The car has just over 7,000 miles. It is currently for sale at Specialized here in Salt Lake City, Utah. If I can get a drum roll. $145,000. You can buy this $310,000 car 4 years later, 7,000 miles, for $145 grand. I think we just need to take a moment of silence for the original owner because God bless him, but he lost $165,000 driving a car 7,000 miles for 4 years. Moment of silence. I look ridiculous right now.
We're getting in an Aston Martin. I dressed up.
I know. I'm wearing flannel, and Nick's wearing a suit.
I'm pretty sure it's in the manual. You cannot drive in flannel. Need a suit.
I don't know if I'm sophisticated enough for an Aston Martin. No, I can change that. So in today's video, we're gonna go do a bunch of sophisticated stuff. But first, we have an underpass, and I'm still immature. Oh, you feel the back end?
I like that.
Yeah, she's got a V12. Look at this little cup holder though. What is going on with that?
Sierra Mist.
A moment of truth. Moment of truth.
It kind of sort of works. It appears to be soda, guys. This is actually water. It's definitely water. It's water, right? This is water, right?
You can get, you know, the fancy.
Yeah, this is the fancy water. This is the sophisticated water. We're in an Aston Martin. No, what's that stuff called? That really fancy stuff.
A new lawsuit against the maker of a popular sparkling water.
The question is whether LaCroix.
LaCroix. Remember LaCroix? You know what I'm talking about, LaCroix? Do you have any idea what I'm talking about? Do you even know what LaCroix is? Do you know
I do. I do know what you're talking about. I can't say that I've ever drank it.
That's not good. You shouldn't drink it. Careful. No.
It might have been made in Iowa.
Drink LaCroix.
If they make it in Iowa, he apologizes. He didn't mean that.
LaCroix. There's two kind of cup holders. There's the cup holders you trust, and there's the cup holders that still function, but you don't trust them.
Yeah.
I guess there's three. There's the cup holders that you don't trust and don't function. Anyways, it does not matter. These cup holders, they function, but you don't trust them.
Actually, this Yeah, I don't trust it.
No. Like at any given moment, they could go flying over this leather that's like a $5,000 option. Nick and I were just talking about how bad this video is, but it's about to get a whole lot better. This car's a 2+2, which is apparently like a $4,500 option, but I'm pretty sure that's not true because every single Vanquish is a 2+2. Anyways, we're gonna see, can I actually sit in the back seat? So. It's easy. This is great back here. Are you kidding me? You got plenty of leg room. You got plenty of leg room, and the headroom is actually, this is pretty nice. This could work. The real question, is the back seat more comfortable or is the trunk? So, I'm gonna try to get out of here. This is not my best angle, guys. Sorry. Oh, the back.
Strad girl.
Alright, easy peasy. You know how to open this, right?
No, actually, no idea. Sincerely, actually, no idea. Do you have the key? It looks more cozy.
This is probably a good idea that you take the key. You has a pull cord, so I can shut it.
Alright. How long do we leave them there? I mean, this is a good moment. This could be fun. I can't even hear him. Can you hear me?
I wish I had a La Croix. If I had a La Croix right now, life would be made.
Dude, you legit could stay back there way longer than you could in the back seat.
Oh, easily. The back seat is an embarrassment. I mean, the back seat is very comfortable.
2 hours later.
Tomorrow I'm flying off to Dubai, and so I gotta look sharp when I'm there. So we're here at, I don't know if you can see, Sport Clips, because we're in an Aston Martin, and so a $15 haircut is fitting. So yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys in the car because it'd be incredibly awkward to vlog, so I'll see you guys soon, hopefully looking better. Hopefully. Just like that, we're back, baby. You see, I think I fit the Aston Martin just a little bit more now. So, on that bombshell. And it's cool every time, like, that never gets old. Aston Martin killed the key game. You know, I've been kind of sort of making fun of the Aston Martin key because it's $750, but then you think about cars like the Bugatti Chiron that has the same key as a Volkswagen Golf, and you're like, so yeah, I mean, Aston Martin, well done, well done. To the Sport Clip stylist who cut my hair, I should have asked you out on a date, but I didn't. So if you're watching today's video, maybe slide into the Instagram DMs. I know, I'm pathetic, guys. I'm pathetic, what can I say? I'm pathetic. I don't know what to say. Like, why did I not ask her out? Like, I'm driving an Aston Martin V12 Vanquish. Like, this is what you do when you drive an Aston Martin. You have supreme confidence because you are driving a car that is supremely cool. Like, get this, so she's cutting my hair. At one point, she told me, this is not a joke, like I am not lying. She told me I have a nice head of hair. Now, trust me, I understand my limitations. I know what I'm good at, I know what I'm not good at. One thing I can guarantee, I do not have a nice head of hair. Like, it just doesn't run in the family. Maybe she wanted a tip. No. She also asked me what I was doing tonight, and what was I thinking? Like, she opened the door so many times for me. I messed up. If you're upset, if you're triggered, think about how I feel. I was gonna ask her out when she was cutting my hair, but because of the environment, all her coworkers were like mingling around in the area. So then I was thinking, oh, I'll wait till I get to the cash register, you know, and that'll be the good opportunity because if she rejects me, you know, I can get out of there as quick as possible. But then her coworkers had moved from the haircutting area to the cash register, so it was a very intimidating environment. I realized that I'm a loser and I drive an Aston Martin V12 Vanquish that is not my car, but today's video is emotional. It's very emotional. It's very, what was I thinking? I'm at a complete loss for words. This is for the girl at Sport Clips who didn't know what an Aston Martin was. It sounds so good. It's a V12. It needs straight pipes though. Like, it needs to be louder, much louder. Time and time and again, Aston Martin builds some of the most beautiful cars of all time. However, the car has some flaws. This car is equipped with nearly $20,000 in interior options, but the problem is that this blinker stock, I think it came out of a Kia. Whereas like this Aston Martin embroidered stitching right here is a $750 option when all we really want is an upgraded blinker stock for 50 bucks. Or like these paddles have the nice leather right there, but then the rest of it is just plastic. Or like the gas pedal and brake pedal, there's nothing special. In a $300,000 car, you want every single piece of the car to be amazing. That being said, I still want the car. It's a Vanquish, it's a Vanquish! If you're watching this video with somebody else right now, turn to them and say Vanquish. You'll feel like a baller. Like do it right now, do it. We'll wait. Vanquish, Vanquish. I don't know if that's Aston Martin marketing working at its finest, but if it is, they've done a very good job. A Vanquish. It's one of the most beautiful cars of all time. It's got a V12. It does 200 miles an hour. It's a Vanquish. Now, if you buy an Aston Martin, or if you're thinking of buying an Aston Martin, do me one massive favor. If you choose to get a vanity plate for your Aston Martin, please do not get a James Bond themed vanity plate. Don't do it. Trust me, don't do it. Don't do it. Now tomorrow we're headed off to the United Arab Emirates to Dubai, but effectively today's video is over. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.